Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. I'm really sorry that there's been such a delay in uploading videos from the last one that I've done. I've actually bought a house with my wife and we're due to be moving into it in the next month, and things are really hectic at the moment. There's so much stuff that has to be done and I have such a backlog of stuff to do. So apologies for not uploading stuff as quick as possible, but fingers crossed I'm going to be in my new house next month and everything is going to be I'd say smooth sailing. I hope it's going to be a very busy Christmas because we have to decorate and all that like that and blah 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 blah. So this video was going to be, it was going to have part and part of kind of building the L24 engine and then the footage from Drift Games round 3. I'm actually just going to have this video as just uploading the footage from round 3, just chilling out with the lads before the drifting goes on. Also, I just want to say from the last video that I put up of what I'd done wrong in relation to the Laurel and the Sefro, I'm blown away with the support and the comments that people have sent to me. It's just really nice to kind of people just to be nice and not have snide comments coming towards me. So thank you very much for that. It's nice to see that there's support there for when you admit that you do stuff wrong and things don't go your way. So yeah, the next video is going to be like the step-by-step guide of how I went through assembling the L24 engine, and this one here is just going to be background footage that people just mightn't see at the rounds of drifting, just prior to going out, maybe having a little bit of crack, just chilling, and you see the footage from the rallycross, the cannonball finish. So there was a heap of supercars there. You don't really get to film as much as you'd like when you're on the track team because you're busy working as opposed to holding a camera and filming everything. So look, I hope you enjoyed this video. Next one's going to be the the next one is going to be the footage from building the L24 engine for the Laurel. So check this out. Hope you enjoyed. Is that cold trickle, is it? Yeah.
Double European champion Derek Hall rips the car out on the main track.
He carries serious speed coming through there.
Up there, and he comes across the final part of the gravel already up. That sounds like order. A little bit too late. Final lap. Here we go again. The car is putting down under pressure. Gary says I don't think so. Down the inside.
It should get there.
I want one of them to spin out. That's cool.
How many is there? 50 or?
Oh, Dave, right. Can you hear him? No, I can't hear a word he said. It's the Liberty Walk, is it?
That's all you're going to hear in Joe's video now. Next week. Where the fuck
That thing will roll.